Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how we're going to buy. We need to install Trust Wallet. As you can see here, this is the app. You can download it from Apple Store, or if you're using Android you can download it from Google Play. Once we download the app, we open a wallet from a new wallet. Once we open a new wallet, we go to the right corner, then we add the SHIBA wallet. You write SHIB, then you turn it on. Once you turn on SHIBA, you will find it here in the list. The next thing we need to do is we have to have Ethereum. We have to have ETH in order to swap it to SHIBA. If you don't have Ethereum, we can buy it from here by going to buy. We choose Ethereum, then we write the amount that we want to buy, let's say $1,000. We click on next. We fill out the information we have here, then we click on I agree, and then we buy. Once we buy the Ethereum, it will be loaded into our wallet. Once we have it in our wallet, we click on Ethereum. You will see that the amount you just buy it, you will just find it here in this wallet. Then we click on more, then we click on trade ETH, then we swap it from ETH to SHIBA coin. We write the amount that we want to swap from ETH to SHIB. The available balance right now is 0.22, so we write 0.15. Then we click on swap, and then we click on send to confirm the swap. Once the swap is done, we will find the SHIBA here, and that's it. So I hope this video is easy to follow. If you guys have any question, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching.